An object is moving along the y-axis. The object's position as a function of time is given by y equals alpha t cubed minus beta t plus phi, where alpha is 1 meter per second cubed, beta is 4 meters per second, and phi is 5 meters. What is the acceleration of the object at time t equals 3 seconds? You should pause now and try to get the answer on your own. Keep in mind that the acceleration is the derivative of the velocity, which in turn is the derivative of the position. This means that we only have to derive the position function twice, and we should have the acceleration as a function of time. The first derivative, v of t, equal to dy dt, is 3 alpha t squared minus beta. The second derivative is a of t equal to dv dt, or 6 alpha t, a linear function of time. At t equals 3 seconds, the function gives a value of 18 meters per second squared, which is option B. Thank you for watching. See you next time.